Hello children. Children, do you like rain? Yes, I also like rain. But sometimes children don't like rain because they want to play outside. But due to rain, they are not able to play outside. And that's why they want to say, rain, rain, go away. So today we are going to learn a poem. The name of the poem is Rain, Rain, Go Away. So let's start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Do not show your face again. Rain, rain, go away. Thank you. So how was the poem? If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning. Bye-bye.